Welcome back to Motor Future, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews and future mobility insights. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Lexus NX, a compact luxury SUV that blends cutting-edge technology with premium craftsmanship. Lexus has refined the NX for 2026 with a sharper design, smarter features, and a more engaging driving experience. Whether you're a longtime Lexus enthusiast or someone considering a compact SUV with upscale vibes, the 2026 NX deserves your attention. Let's kick things off with its exterior design, where Lexus has made bold yet elegant updates. From the front, the NX commands presence with its signature spindle grille, now slightly more compact but more aggressive in texture. The headlights have a sleeker, aero-like look that integrates LED daytime running lights and triple-beam LED projectors for high-end illumination. The front bumper is more sculpted, giving the NX a sportier, more assertive profile without compromising its luxury appeal. Lexus has managed to balance aggression and sophistication here, which is not easy to do. The hood lines are more defined and lead your eyes toward the wider stance of the vehicle, giving it a planted, confident look. Swinging around to the back, the rear end of the 2026 NX continues the theme of sharp modernity. The LED taillight bar spans the width of the SUV and now features a more intricate pattern when lit, giving the NX a high-tech vibe at night. The Lexus lettering replaces the old-school badge, adding to the premium feel. The bumper gets subtle updates, with new reflectors and a more aerodynamic lower diffuser. Exhaust tips remain cleanly hidden, emphasizing refinement over rawness. Overall, the rear design feels tightly integrated and cleaner than previous iterations, bringing the entire SUV together with a sense of design unity. Interior now, stepping inside the cabin, the NX truly begins to flex its luxury muscles. Lexus has taken a minimalist yet tech-forward approach. The dashboard is dominated by the new 14-inch touchscreen that flows seamlessly into the center console. It's powered by the latest Lexus interface, offering crisp graphics and faster responsiveness. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a powerful voice assistant that responds to natural commands. Materials across the cabin are soft touch, with options for open-pore wood, aluminum accents, and even ambient lighting with customizable colors. The steering wheel is redesigned with multifunction toggles and a thicker grip. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving drivers access to navigation, safety alerts, and performance data at a glance. Front seats are exceptionally comfortable, offering both heating and ventilation with memory functions. Rear seats have generous legroom for this class, and Lexus has slightly improved the recline angle for extra comfort. You'll also find USB-C ports, rear air vents, and even optional rear seat heaters. Cargo space is solid, especially with the rear seats folded flat. Underfloor storage is a nice bonus, and the power tailgate with kick sensor adds convenience. Lexus has also improved cabin insulation, making the NX one of the quietest SUVs in its class during both city and highway driving. Let's move on to performance, where Lexus has expanded the powertrain options to fit different driving preferences. The 2026 NX is offered in 4 trims: NX 250, NX 350, NX 350h, and NX 450h Plus. The NX 250 features a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine producing 203 horsepower, perfect for those who prioritize smooth, reliable driving. The NX 350 upgrades to a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with 275 horsepower, providing a punchy and responsive drive. This version gets from 0 to 60 in just over 6 seconds and feels confident in highway overtakes. For those interested in fuel economy, the NX 350h offers a hybrid setup with a combined output of 240 horsepower and excellent mileage, achieving over 39 miles per gallon combined. Finally, the NX 450h Plus is the plug-in hybrid variant, offering 304 horsepower and an electric-only range of around 37 miles. This model is especially attractive for urban commuters who want the benefits of EV driving with the backup of a gas engine. All models come with all-wheel drive options, and Lexus has fine-tuned the suspension for 2026 to provide a more composed ride with better cornering stability. The steering is light but precise, ideal for urban maneuvering, while the improved adaptive variable suspension on higher trims offers a smoother, more connected feel during spirited driving. Braking is confident, and the transition from regenerative to mechanical brakes in the hybrid and plug-in models is nearly seamless. Lexus also includes its full suite of safety technologies under the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, with features like dynamic radar cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and emergency steering assist. These make the NX not only fun to drive but incredibly safe for families and solo drivers alike. In terms of pricing, Lexus has positioned the NX competitively within the luxury compact SUV market. The base NX 250 starts at around $41,000, offering a solid list of standard features. The NX 350 begins at approximately $45,000, giving you more performance and tech upgrades. The hybrid NX 350h is slightly higher at $47,000, while the top-tier NX 450h Plus starts just under $58,000 but qualifies for federal EV incentives in many regions. Optional packages like F-Sport handling or luxury trim can push these prices higher, but even then, the NX remains well priced considering its feature set, build quality, and brand cachet. Wrapping things up, the 2026 Lexus NX continues to raise the bar in the luxury compact SUV space. It doesn't try to be the flashiest or the fastest, but it nails the balance of comfort, performance, and technology in a way few competitors can match. Lexus has clearly listened to feedback and refined the NX into a more confident, capable, and luxurious machine for modern drivers. Whether you want a fuel-efficient hybrid, a performance-leaning turbo, or an eco-conscious plug-in hybrid, there's an NX model tailored to your lifestyle. Thanks for watching this detailed review of the 2026 Lexus NX here on Motor Future. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow's roads. Drive safe and see you in the next one.